What's going on, everybody? This is the FanDude21 here once again, and today I bring you a video of an old GE Quiet Blade oscillating desk fan. Circa about 1935, probably 1936. Probably one of the first variations of the Quiet Blade. The fan's in pretty decent shape for its age. Unfortunately, it suffered a pretty big fall back in the past, which bent the cage into the blade and causing the blade to gum one of the blades to go out of clock. Which you can probably notice in the video, in the picture, that top blade is out of clock. And I try my best to get it back in clock, but that's about as good as it's going to get. Unless I take it to more professional to do it. So the fan runs a little bit rough, but it still runs. And besides being real shaky and vibration, it's still a pretty smooth running fan. There's medium. And low. We're going to pan around the back here. Show you the motor tag. You can turn this knob here to make it oscillate. Take it back up to medium. Yeah, like I said, that vibration is caused by that out of clock blade. Turn it to high. Go ahead and shut it off. Yeah, it's quite a shame that the fan had to fell like it did, but at least it's still running to this day. Still runs pretty good too. And there you have it. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this vintage 1935-1936 General Electric Quiet Blade oscillating desk fan. Take care.